Happy weekend, online friends and fam. Today we got a real special weekend, okay? So we're gonna do a family vlog, but the family's a little split up because one of my good friends is flying up. So we're going to a bachelor party. It'll be at a lake, so you'll see some footage of that. But then you'll also see some footage of the girls and Jen going back to Louisville. Jen's got a doctor's appointment, so she'll be there with the girls, and they are gonna have some fun stuff. We're gonna have some fun stuff, and you're gonna see it all here on the channel. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you there.
Hello, online friends and family. So today's Saturday, and we just got out of swim.
I went in the water.
You did. So the girls did a fantastic job today. Rory didn't cry the whole time, which was a huge improvement. Evie went underwater.
I didn't cry about it.
Yeah, she didn't cry about it. So Daddy probably already told you he's not with us. He's at a friend's bachelor party this weekend. So it's just me and the girls. And the plan is...
We're going to like a website.
Yep, we're going to my parents' house for the weekend, and we'll see Daddy on Monday. I have an eye appointment this weekend, so we're staying an extra day. The car is packed.
It's almost gone away.
I don't know what we're gonna do, but we'll figure it out. Right, girls? Yeah.
All right, here we are at the monkey business. We're here trying to do some climbing. What is it, ropes course? The one planned activity in this bachelor party. Right, Kevin? Right. Yeah. Oh, it looks pretty sweet. Get some more shots from the top, hopefully. Okay. No problem. Woo. Yeah. Ooh, baby. All right, made it. Okay. It's pretty short. Kevin's just blazing through this thing. Can't even keep up with him. Whoa. Yep, definitely gonna need 2 hands for this one. Okay. Okay, it just broke. Yeah, I did. I had too many cookies. I broke the ropes course. Sorry, Phil. All right, let's hope no more of these planks break on me as I'm going across.
All right, guys, so we made it. It was a long drive. I haven't looked in the back yet, but I can only imagine that it's a disaster. So let's take a peek.
For a little bit because it's raining. We're gonna wait until the rain stops.
Yeah, it's been raining all weekend. We actually lost power yesterday, right?
Yeah.
Rory is all Cheetoed out. Sat us in my car. Not that great. But Evie did a good job. You did a really good job on this car ride. High five, girlfriend.
No.
Yeah.
I missed.
Rory cried for about an hour. Were you tired?
I'm not tired.
You look tired.
I'm not tired.
Well, with this rain, now I really don't know what we're gonna do.
I wanna draw.
We'll see. Roro, is it yummy? Uh-huh.
Evie, you're just eating frosting. You should go deeper. Get ice cream.
Roro, are you gonna eat the cake? Ooh!
Oh, I got you, Jojo.
You are Evie.
Got you.
Roro!
Jojo.
Roro. Roro. Roro, Roro, why is all your sister's stuff on the ground?
All right, heading out to the lake. Lake time.
Yeah,
realize you have a wagon, by the way. So
Yeah.
be careful.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get on noodles and stuff.
Rolling out. We just follow them, right?
So they're gone now. It won't be the first time that, like, when I've gone to European cities, like sometimes I actually find it like very, like this is what I enjoy is like not being with the, like, you're traveling with 10 people.
Not being with Kevin.
Yeah. No.
All right, Kev. It's your bachelor party.
Here we go.
You ready to go?
Yeah. Rip it, Jeff.
You ever been water tortured?
Yeah. It's kind of like this.
I feel like going to space can't be harder. That's all I'm saying.
Kind of like this. Does he know that when you go a certain speed, we all just like go backwards like
That's what I
this?
told. Yeah, I was like, he was like, "Do you want me to gun it?" I'll click go, and I was like, "Yeah."
We're gonna stay in it, huh? Too hard. Oh, I told Derek to sit in this one because he wouldn't fall out as much, and he proceeds to fall out twice.
Evie, what did you find? Show me. What did you find at Costco? Can I see? Hey, what did you find?
Halloween.
Is that what you're gonna be for Halloween?
I'm gonna fly you to the air.
Hey guys, so it's the very next day. We got some chocolate bears at Costco. What else did you get, Evie? Do you want to show everyone?
Wonder Woman.
She got her Halloween costume for this year. Hopefully she sticks to it. Sorry about not filming. It was kind of a little hectic. We tried to show up when the store opened, but we were about an hour behind. And there are so many people here. Try to make it through the store pretty quickly without too many tantrums. What else are we up to today, girls? When we get home, we're gonna take a nap. Yeah. How are those bears? Are they yummy? Yeah.
Yeah.
It's been a handful, just me. Hey guys, it's nap time. Someone's been throwing a lot of tantrums these last couple of days. Is it Bro? Yes. All right. We're just gonna chill, take a nap, hopefully be in a better mood.
Matt John, have you ever wanted to be a pirate?
What?
Have you ever wanted to be a pirate?
I've ever wanted to be a pirate?
Yeah. he's like, I'm not gonna answer because I say, yeah.
Okay.
I would take his one.
It's like, okay,
Yeah.
I guess I'll do it.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Actually, that's working pretty well. Like that's a floaty.
I bet I can get somebody else on here.
Alright guys, we've switched gears again. Rory has requested her chariot. Now we're going for a wagon run. Say hi! Evie's back home doing her homework. Hashtag mommy life. It's been exhausting this weekend. Mommy's been doing a lot of stress eating. What? Rory! Rory! Wee!
Mommy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Rory, you have a lot of bubbles in your hair.
Yeah.
Hair. Ah, you're getting it all over mommy. Woo!
Am I messing you guys up? Oh! Oh, okay, that's all I needed.
Strike a pose.
Yeah.
Oh, no one wants to see that, Evie. Put it down. Do a twirl.
Okay.
Whoa.
That's my other one.
Okay. Whoa. Ray, what do you have?
Nephew.
Nana.
He had a banana.
Nana. Nana.
Okay.
Do you want a banana?
No. Hey.
A boo. A boo. A boo. You guys are hams.
You a bag. Okay. 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 I'm shy, Mom. I want to do it again.
Hold on. Hey, share the camera.
Hey, I can't. Can't see me.
All right, so ends another busy weekend for the Alex fam. Thank you guys for joining us. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
Okay. Okay. All right. Okay.